Now, I defy you not to be enchanted by the sight of a gleaming steam train thundering through the countryside. Well, listen to this, the golden age of steam is coming back. A new train operator is starting to run regular services on lines here in the West Midlands. Vintage Trains is one of only a handful of companies to be given permission to run steam trains on the main line. Our transport correspondent Peter Plisner has been to the company's Birmingham base to find out more.
Back on track exactly 50 years after British Rail swapped steam trains for diesel. But despite the passing of the years, the popularity of steam remains. Ray Churchill is one of Vintage Trains' drivers. He's 75 and used to run steam trains for British Rail.
Well, I feel very privileged, to be honest. It's a great feeling, and it's amazing, isn't it, how lots of people, the British people, take steam to their hearts.
Without fail, a steam train comes into a station and the platform is filled with smiling people.
And that's what the new steam operation hopes to capitalise on.
It's romantic. Look at the steam engines. They're absolutely splendid machines, and I think there's something terribly British for us to feel proud about the engineering locally and around West Midlands and making sure that we're still out there using these machines and they're not consigned to museums and people can't touch and play and travel on them.
Based at the historic Great Western Railway steam depot at Tyseley in Birmingham, this was it in its heyday back in the 1930s. The plan now is to invest around £3 million modernising the site. But here at Tyseley, it's more than just about running steam trains. It's also about retaining the skills to keep big locos like this on the tracks. The new companies also promised a full training and apprenticeship programme. Ben Gregory is already learning the skills.
It's sort of what changed the world, wasn't it? It's sort of shaped the world, the modern world we got now. So you sort of got to keep the old traditions in a way, but it's also having skills in engineering and being able to provide for that service, basically.
If you fancy reliving the old days of steam, trips from here begin later in the year. Peter Plisner, BBC Midlands Today at Tyseley.
Great pictures, eh? And next on the timetable, steaming in is Shafali with the weather. How's it looking?